Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up parental control on TCL 505. So you have to start with opening your settings application. Now scroll down and click on Google. Then click on Parental Controls and click Get Started. Now select Child or Teenager and click Next. Now click on Add or Create Account for your child. And here you have to enter your child's email. Then click Next. And now you have to enter your password. Now click on More and Accept. And now select your account. And here you have to enter your parent email. Then click Next. And now you have to enter your parent password. And now you have to scroll down. And here you have to enter your child password again. Now click Next. And now scroll down and click Next. Now click Next again. And here you can click Install Family Link, or you can click Skip and then you can install this app manually. And now click on Review Controls. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.